Welcome to Mr. Pronunciation Guide, where we master the art of pronouncing some of the world's most commonly mispronounced words. From tricky terms to curious names, we have you covered. Today let us dive in and learn how to say
Ich bin ganz Ohr.
literally means I am all ear in German. It's a common idiom used to say I'm listening attentively or you have my full attention.
Ich bin ganz Ohr. 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 Ich bin ganz Ohr.
Check out more videos on pronouncing tricky words and names with confidence. Avoid common mispronunciations with tips from this video. If you found it helpful, I would love your support. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon.